Texas moonlight skies, with the wind in her hair and a sparkle in her eyes. The engine roars like a lion, wild and free, as the stars dance around her, just her and the open road you see. Oh, it's motorcycle nights, feeling alive, chasing the horizon where our dreams can thrive. With the freedom calling, she's embracing the ride. Underneath those Texas stars, there's nothing to hide. She's got the rhythm of the night flowing through her veins, humming with the echoes of those sweet freedom chains. Cruising down the highways, leaving worries behind. Every twist and turn, it's the thrill she can find. Oh, it's motorcycle nights, feeling alive, chasing the horizon where our dreams can thrive. With the freedom calling, she's embracing the ride. Underneath those Texas stars, there's nothing to hide. Yeah. Every mile is a memory painted in the sky. With the laughter of the night, she knows she can fly. The moonlight guides her way like a silver dream. In the heart of Texas, she's living the dream. Oh, it's motorcycle nights, feeling alive, chasing the horizon where our dreams can thrive. With the freedom calling, she's embracing the ride. Underneath those Texas stars, there's nothing to hide. Yeah, it's a motorcycle